Stability AI Release Stable Cascade. Let's discuss some of its features and certain drawbacks. Then the first one is that it performs better in generating text. This image shows text clearly. So I also did a test and it really works. As described, English is copied word for word. Nowadays, Chinese is still not allowed. The second feature is about hand generation, such as these two examples, which both provide relatively good hands. So I also did some testing and it really improved. The effect is better when the hands take up a larger portion of the screen. The third point is currently in a non-commercial status. According to some information on Twitter, a commercial version will be released later. The fourth point is that generation speed will be faster because the corresponding latent space is smaller. Point 5. It understands the prompts more accurately. Why is that? Because it has 14 more parameters than the chat model. Achieving greater accuracy and understanding is quite normal. Oh, I also took the test. Especially for a goldfish like this, in my past learning, I couldn't perform as well as shown in this picture now. Point 5. Its aesthetic index is slightly lower than Playground's V2. I've tested this model before, and it really delivers great aesthetics. It's also worth mentioning that it only compared with some open source models and didn't compare with other models such as DALL-E 3 or Midjourney. My point is, compared to DALL-E 3 or Midjourney, it still falls far short in this area. The sixth point is that the stability will release all the code used for training and fine-tuning ControlNet and LoRA. So what does this mean? It means it will create a more comprehensive environmental setup. The seventh point is to redraw it for better results. Then there are images generated from such sketches which are even better. That also adds to the details. Navigate to RunningHub, click on AI, or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1,200 points. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.